Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do a definite integral with the FX991ES Plus. It will also work with some other calculators, including the EX, which will actually solve it faster. This only works for definite integrals, meaning it has a upper bound and a lower bound. So we'll keep it simple. We'll take the integral of x squared dx from 1 to 4. Using the power rule, we get x cubed over 3 from 1 to 4. And now we plug in the bounds. And we get 4 cubed over 3 minus 1 to the power of 3 over 3. And this is just the third, and this is 64 over 3. So we get 64 over 3 minus a third, and that's 63 over 3, which simplifies to 21. Now on a calculator, first you'll want to go to mode and make sure you're in complete, which is 1. Now you'll click the button to the right of calc, which is the integral. And now we're integrating in terms of x, so there's going to be a dx there. So you press alpha x squared, or whatever your term is inside of the integral. And then we'll do 1 to 4. Using the arrow keys puts you in the right spot. And it's going to take a second, and it will be 21, which is exactly what we got.